What's next?
Zebra.
What do you have there? It's all arrows, right?
Black arrow.
Stripe.
Stripe. Arrow. Arrow. White arrow. Black arrow.
Stripe.
Stripe arrow. Wait!
Okay, so shade what the answer is. Very good. So, what's next? Next page. You have, what's this?
Jingle bell.
What's this? Arrow what?
Arrow.
What? Up and down,
Up and down.
left and right.
Left and right.
Up and down.
Up and down. Left and right. Up and down. Left and right.
What's next?
Up and down.
So, where's up and down in the answers? Okay, so you have to shade it. That's how you do it, okay?
Okay. Man is so
Okay,
bad.
next. What do you see?
W.
Wait a minute. What do you see? W?
W.
What's this?
N.
M.
M.
Again. W.
W. N. W.
M, not N. M as in mommy. Again. W.
W. M. W.
What's next? This one. Okay.
Not this. Not N.
Not the baby M. It should be a big M. But you don't have a pencil because mommy broke it. I'll get you another one. Okay, so Vera, start with this. W.
M. W.
What's next? Very good.
I'm nearly done.
Okay. Do you want to do another page?
Yes.
Look at it first. Shirt, short, bag.
Back.
Shirt.
Short.
What's next? Okay, so shade it.
Not a dress or the hat all the time. Only this.
Correct. Because that's the pattern.
Yes, it is the pattern, Mama.
Good job.
Mommy, this is getting even harder.
It's okay, you can do it. You've done a lot of puzzles. Okay, what's next? You have... This one's tricky. Look,
2 sticks.
open the book. Your other hand, put it on the other page. Okay, 2 sticks.
2 sticks.
What's this?
3 sticks.
2 sticks.
2 sticks. 3 sticks. 2 sticks.
What's next?
3 sticks.
So where's the 3 sticks in the answers?
Not this, not this, not this. Aha! Here.
Correct. So, shade it. Shade, shade, shade.
I'm making it so fast.
It's okay, you can take your time. But yes, you can do it fast too. Okay, what's next? You have this one. What do you see? Red,
Red,
yellow, green.
green,
What's next? Red.
red,
What's next? What's that?
yellow.
Okay.
Yellow, yellow, not green, not green.
That's how you do it. It's a pattern. You understand?
It is a pattern.
It is. So you just have to follow
Welcome
the...
to my homework day.
Okay, next page, please. Welcome to your homework day. No, this is just a puzzle day.
Let's do this first.
Friday is a puzzle day for Vera. Okay,
This-
first,
this
no,
one- this is-
Vera, listen to mommy. When you're answering a puzzle, you have to start from the top. You cannot answer what you like.
This
You
one,
understand?
this one,
Because you're gonna get confused.
This one.
Let me see. What's in the box? What do you see first?
Baby.
Baby, what's next?
Boy.
What's next?
Daddy.
Is that a daddy? That's a guy, a teenager. What's next? So this is a baby, a toddler, a boy. What's next?
A daddy,
what's the answer? So a baby grows to a toddler and then becomes a boy, and then what's next? It becomes what? A monkey?
No.
What? It becomes what?
A baby.
The boy becomes a baby? Is that how it is?
Yes.
What do you see in the pattern? The baby becomes a boy.
A boy.
And then the boy becomes a teenager.
A teenager.
So what's the answer? The teenager becomes what? He
boy.
grows up to be what?
A grown up.
A grown-up. So where's the grown-up in the picture?
Here.
So you shade it. It can't be a baby. Hello? That's not Benjamin Button. Okay.
Now
Very
this
good.
car.
Okay, so look at it. Can you sit properly?
Yes.
Okay, let's look at the cars. Ay, ay, ay. When you're answering, Vera, you hold the other page with the other hand. The other hand is for writing, the other hand is for stopping the pages.
Happy.
Listen first. Look at the cars.
4 red cars.
And 4.
4 blue cars.
So here, what's missing? What's the answer?
2 cars.
Yeah, so you shade it. So it becomes 4. Because 2 and 2, 2 and 2 is 4.
Yes. Now this.
Okay, what do you see? Your favorite.
Uh,
The faces.
this.
Okay. The first one is what?
Scared.
Okay, scared. Can you move here?
Scared.
What's the next one?
Mad.
What's next?
Scared. Mad.
What's
What is
next?
Sun.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Ay, naka. Again, look at the pattern. Scared,
Scared.
mad, scared, mad. What's next?
Scared.
Good. So, can you answer, shade the scared? Anong sun?
It's a sun in it.
Okay, next one.
It stars.
The stars. So, what do you see? First,
4 stars.
4.
3 stars. 1 star. 2 stars.
it says here, fill the circle of the picture that has 3 stars. Can you see that? Can you shade the 3 stars?
This.
Yep.
Why did you say yup like that? You're not a boy.
Okay. Only boys can say yup. Even girls can say yup.
Yep.
Okay. Next. What's the next one?
Fill.
Fill in the circle under the picture that has 5 ice cream cones.
Not this. Not this.
Are you sure?
No,
Can you
this,
count first?
This,
Wait. Count it first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So where's 5?
This.
Oh, so shade it. You think this is 5?
No.
No, that's not 5. Count it.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, so where's 5? The first
Here.
one. See? You have to count it. You think that's the answer, but it's
Mommy,
not.
Do the ice cream. Do the ice cream.
You understand, baby? You have to be careful. You have to count the objects inside the square.
This is.
So, fill in the circle under the picture that has 2 cars. 2 cars. There you go. Okay. Shade whatever the answer is.
Okay. Whatever you say, that's okay.
Good job. Okay.
What is that all about for?
Good job. Okay. Ba yan? What kind of English is that? What is that all about for? Okay, next. Burpees. Next page. Okay, this is gonna be your last page for today.
Okay. Flowers.
No, the boy. So you have a boy
A boy.
with blocks. It says there, Jack. Can I see? I can't read it. You're too far. Okay, sit here, please. It says Jack is playing with blocks. How many does he have? How many blocks is he playing? Can you count it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, can you now shade the number of blocks that he has?
This.
Okay. Can you make sure that that's the answer? Count it. Count your answer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so that's the answer. Good job.
What is that for?
Good job, I said.
He said good job.
I'm making fun of the job word. Okay, next one. You see, Jill needs to buy eggs. Can you sit down?
Eggy, eggy.
Okay.
How many of the eggs he has?
She has. So count it. It's very little. You know how to count very little objects, Vera? You use the point, the tip of the pencil.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Okay,
This
so
is the 10.
are you sure? Can you count it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, correct. And the last page.
It says, Baba, Baba, dog, dog, giga, giga, go, go. Don't fall. Okay.
Okay, next one.
Dog, dog, donkey.
Okay, let's go to the dog. What's the dog? What's the question? How many dogs are playing? That's the question. So can you
This?
count? No, you have to count the number of dogs here first.
1, 2, 3,
Use
4.
the tip of your pencil, Vera, and put a dot on what you counted so you won't get confused.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. So
This-
where's 4 there?
This.
Can you count the answer if to make sure? Count the box in your answer.
Okay. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Correct.
Mommy,
Yeah!
mommy, mommy.
You're finished. You're finished.
Aww.
You wanna do this? Okay, you need to take a break. You did a great job.
Yay!
Kiss.
I love you, mommy.
I love you.
Let's take a picture of each other.
Okay.